Okay guys, let's do some maintenance on my Makita chainsaw. I was working half the day in the garden and this was so much fun using this thing here. But what I didn't do is I didn't check on the chain tension, and what happened is that the chain fell off this thing here and mangled itself in here, and now it won't go on this, I don't know how do you call it, I like to call it like swords thingy. It partially it works, it goes on like quite easily, like it should. Let's try it here. Yeah, that goes on. Yeah, nice. As you can see, it works quite well. But then here it won't anymore. So something's wrong in here. So like from this tooth up to, I think it might be, yeah, even until like here. So half the chain is somewhat mangled. And let's check what the problem is. Okay, so I found the tooth where you can see it quite well. Do you see these two notches here? So this makes this part a little bit thicker, and this prevents the chain to go on. And this is the problem on many of these here. So to not have to buy a new chain, since this is quite new, I will just file off these things here and the chain will go on again. Okay, you could use a regular file like this one and try to do it like that. If it works, even I'm not sure. No, this is not the right side here. Like that. But this is really tedious, as well as with this one here. So this is a diamond file. This is probably tempered steel or hardened steel here, the chain. So yeah, it would full file off, but I will use this tool here. So let's get my protective glasses and then we can start. Okay. Let's take a closer look what I did here. You can probably see here the shiny part, so everything is smooth again. On the other side as well. So this should go on again. Okay, which way around this? Yeah. Works? Yeah! It seems to work, yes. Yes, please! So. Oh yeah. That shouldn't come off anytime soon. Oops. Maybe it's tension too much. Okay. Like that. Yes, please. Yeah! So it works again. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.